Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Gregorio here, and welcome back on my YouTube channel. If you are first time here on my YouTube, make sure to subscribe to notify you sa mga upcoming videos ko. And in this video, ang pag-uusapan natin is passive income. There's hundreds, thousands of legit ways para kumita ka ng passive income online. Pwede mong pasukin yung affiliate marketing, pwede ka rin naman sa real estate by commission, and pwede ka rin naman sa pagbablog or pag-YouTube. Passive income ang pwede mong kitain sa mga paraan na yon. And sa video na to, ang gusto kong i-share sa iyo is paano ko nagawang kumita ng 50,000 plus in just one day by recommending a software. That software is ClickFunnels. So, ClickFunnels is matagal ko na itong ginagamit since 2016. So, almost 4 years, magpa 5 years na rin itong tool na to. So, ClickFunnels is a funnel builder. Sa website platform siya. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo na siya kailangang install sa computer or kailangan mo na magandang computer para mag-work ito. So, kailangan mo lang ng internet connection and, of course, device, either or laptop, tablet, or desktop. ClickFunnels, ito yung ginagamit to create a landing page, to create a website sa mga business na pinopromote online. Pwede kang gumawa dito ng mga sales funnel na merong proseso. Dito ginagawa yung mga international marketer, entrepreneurs. Majority, ClickFunnels yung ginagamit nila. So kung kilala mo si Grant Cardone, sila Ping Jun, marami mga gumagamit ng ClickFunnels na to dahil very useful and easy to use yung platform na to. So bukod sa ginagamit nila yung ClickFunnels, of course, once na part ka na ng community na to or if you are one of the user ng ClickFunnels, automatically you are qualified to become a affiliate. So, magiging affiliate ka na nila. So, pwede mo nang i-share at i-recommend yung platform na to. Kagaya ng ginawa ko. So, recently, I checked my account. Dito sa screen, makikita mo. As you can see, on October 13 ko pa siya nakita. So, I made $1,100.32. So, i-compute na lang natin siya sa peso. USD to Philippine peso. Ayan. So, 1,104.32. Alright. So, ito yung conversion rate niya. So, ito yung conversion rate. As of now, ngayon, ang palitan is 48 peso. So, approximately mga ganun, 50,000. And on October 13, October 15, meron din pumasok na $118.80. So that is around 5,000 or 6,000 pesos na. Then, and here is the lifetime earnings here on ClickFunnels. I'm not promoting here exactly. Ang ginagawa ko lang dito is nire-recommend ko lang siya sa mga YouTube training ko, tutorial. And meron din akong pre-courses kung saan tinuturuan ko yung mga entrepreneurs, marketer on how to use ClickFunnels. So, ibig sabihin, ginagamit ko yung tool na to. So, sabi ko nga kanina, almost 4 years na rin ako dito. And ang gagandahan habang ginagamit ko siya is namo-monetize ko sa, ibig sabihin, may pumapasok na passive income sa akin. So, yun yung maganda dito sa ClickFunnels. And hindi lang ClickFunnels, yung product nila, meron din sila mga product, other product like mga courses, other software na magagamit mo to market your products online. So, ClickFunnels, it's just a one product. So, kung gusto mong malaman about yung ClickFunnels, puntahan natin yung clickfunnels.com. So, if you want to learn more about ClickFunnels, puntahan natin yung website nila. Yan. clickfunnels.com. Yan, makikita mo dito sa screen. Alright, so this is a website of ClickFunnels. Yan, para malaman mo ano ba yung ClickFunnels, para saan ba ito ginagamit, and ilan na ba yung users ng ClickFunnels as of now. As of now, they already have 142,000 users. So, active users to. Imagine, ang dami, no? And makikita mo rin dito yung mga statistics na nagawa ni ClickFunnels. They already have around 7 million funnels sa platform na to. And yung revenue na na-process inside this platform is $8.9 billion. Right? So, ClickFunnels, ayan, makikita mo para saan ba yung ClickFunnels. So, kung meron kang product, meron kang company, magagamit mo yung ClickFunnels kahit saang industry ka pa, basta pinopromote mo siya online. Okay? So, check mo rin yung mga reviews. And, para makagawa ka ng account sa ClickFunnels, meron akong nilagay na link sa ibaba ng video na to. So, once you click this link, you will have a 14 days free trial. Okay, so makakapag-try ka na dito sa ClickFunnels, pwede mo siyang gamitin in the last 2 weeks. So kapag hindi nag-fit sa'yo yung platform na to, tingin mo hindi para sa business mo, pwede mo siyang i-cancel. Okay, so kung para naman sa business mo to, makita mo na malaking maitutulong ng software na to, ng tool na to grow your online business, why not gamitin mo yung platform na to. And ilalagay ko rin yung link sa ibaba ng online course na ginawa ko, yung Sales Funnel Mastery. This is a step-by-step training program kung saan matututunan mo how to launch your successful sales funnel. So kahit sa industry pa, kahit nasa digital marketing, kahit nasa information business ka pa, nagpo-promote ka ng product, online course, or meron kang physical products, or meron kang companies, or consultant ka man, if you're marketer, entrepreneur, o kahit sa industry ka pa. To access my online course program dito sa Sales Funnel Mastery, i-click mo lang yung link na nakikita mo sa ibaba and register your account. If you don't have an account yet, mag-register ka lang for free and ma-access mo na instantly yung course na yon. Okay? So this is a free courses na gusto kong ibigay sa iyo. As of today, meron ng 174 students dito sa Sales Funnel Mastery course ko. And nandito yung mga course, lesson, and modules na matututunan mo. Ayan, ClickFunnels, step by step. And ginawa ko rin siyang by lesson, and meron din akong advanced training dito on how to create a membership site, and of course yung mga funnels na magagamit mo, yung mga template funnels na pwede mong gamitin. So go ahead and register your free account now. If you have any questions on this video, let me know on the comment below, and I'm so very happy to assist you, and I'm so very happy na matulungan ka sa online business mo. More success sa business mo, and more success sa'yo. We will see you on the next one.